journey of calm and inspiration. Hello, everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I invite you to slow down and spend a few peaceful moments with me through the process of fluid art. As the colors flow across the canvas, let me tell you that this is not just a painting session, it is a moment of mindfulness, reflection, and creative healing. Before we begin, I want to share the inspiration behind today's artwork. A dear friend once gifted me a beautiful painting created with warm colors, shades of red, black, and soft amber. The painting carried a sense of warmth, comfort, and friendship, of course. Every time I looked at it, it reminded me of the kindness, support, and the special connections that enrich our lives. Today, while creating this fluid art piece, I wanted to honor that inspiration in a different way. Instead of using warm colors, I chose calming shades of teal blue, Prussian blue, black, and hints of lavender. As you know, these colors represent peace, balance, and emotional renewal. So, I will be using all these colors to create a calming fluid art. Art therapy is not about creating perfection. It is about allowing ourselves to be present and letting go of expectations. And of course, embracing the process. So, as I continue with the process, let me tell you that fluid art is particularly a therapeutic art form because it encourages surrender. Unlike other traditional painting, we cannot fully control where the colors will travel. We can only guide them, but we also allow them to find their own path. Similarly, this mirrors life itself. See how the colors are flowing? Though I am guiding it, but there is no control over it. As I have poured all the colors into the canvas, just take a moment to observe its movement. Can you notice how the paint expands naturally? How it's creating soft waves and delicate transitions? Now, imagine any tension you may be carrying, and gently it is dissolving, just as the colors blend into one another. The cool blues remind me of still water of the lake on a quiet morning. They create a sense of openness and space. Do you know that blue is often associated with calmness, with trust, and emotional clarity? And the Prussian blue, which brings a feeling of freshness and renewal, reminds us of clear skies and peaceful oceans. Don't you think that watching it spread across the canvas feels like almost a meditative process? At least I feel that way. So, another way you can just pull out a straw and blow out all your tension, all your stress, all your thoughts, the negative thoughts you have in your mind. Just breathe in and think of the negative thoughts and blow out through your straw. Now, as all the colors begin to interact, you will see new patterns emerging. Some areas will blend smoothly, while others will create fascinating cells and textures. This is one of the most beautiful lessons of fluid art for us. How? Don't you think beauty often appears when we stop forcing outcomes? When I gently tilted the canvas, and as I do it again, the paints begin to dance together. See? So beautifully. Their movement is slow, graceful, and of course unpredictable. Take a deep breath and take a look at the flow. Just notice how no two sections are exactly the same. Each pattern forms naturally, creating a unique visual story. While creating this piece, I started to think again and again about the warm colored painting from my friend. That artwork carried the energy of warmth, encouragement, and lots of joyful memories. In many ways, today's painting feels like a conversation with that gift. The warm colors represented connections and emotional warmth, and these calming colors represent reflection, peace, and gratitude. And together, both the paintings they tell a complete story of friendship and personal growth. Do you know that art has a remarkable ability to hold memories? Have you ever observed that when you go back and check with your paintings, a single painting can remind us of a person, a moment, or a feeling that remains meaningful long after even the event has passed? Yes, it does. As the paint continues flowing, I encourage you to think about something that inspires you. Perhaps maybe it is a cherished gift, or it is a person who offered support during a difficult time, or even it can be simply a moment when you felt truly at peace. Allow that memory to accompany you as you watch the colors move. You can always touch the colors also. The soft greens, or maybe not green exactly, that is a teal blue appearing now symbolizes healing and balance. Fluid art teaches us patience. The painting unfolds gradually. There is no need to rush, the process takes the time it needs. Don't blow too much, it will spoil the image, the blending. Some colors might overlap each other. In a world that often moves quickly, the fast moving world, creating an art piece can become a gentle reminder that slowing down is not a wasted time, it is essential time. As the final layers settle into place, we begin to see harmony emerging from movement. The colors have found their balance, and yet much of the beauty came from the allowing, from the process to happen naturally. This is what makes the art therapy so powerful. You need not be too artistic for this therapy. All you need is curiosity, openness, and of course, willingness to create something. As we come to the final moments of this painting, I just want to say that the painting which was inspiration for me has really helped me to create such a beautiful the blue calming painting. It became the thoughtful gift which my friend gave became a creative spark, and a memory came back to a new creation. So if you've enjoyed this art therapy session, and you've liked it, feel free to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear what inspires your creativity and brings you peace. I hope the Fluid Art journey has brought you a sense of calm, reflection, and inspiration. Until next time, take care of yourself, stay creative, and keep finding beauty in the flow. Bye.